Version 1 for Alfredo Espinosa's custom diamond painting called Husband and I, we start with lightning diamonds that are sprinkled in the background. Version 2 special treatment for this custom painting now adds lime pearls to the green areas on the shirt. Aside from that, we also add chili pearls to the red areas on the other shirt. And to add a really nice sparkle to this custom diamond painting, Husband and I, 70 by 50 cm rounds, we now add electric diamonds that will be placed in that area in the background that's a little bit in the gray shadow area. So this kind of just gives it a nice pop so that we've got an extra sparkle to the painting.